Hi, good evening, everybody. You see me, Adam Midi, author of the sea, extraordinary lady with a great destiny. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you, my fans, my followers, my good people. Thank you, beautiful people. Once again, I want to use the opportunity to thank all my friends for supporting me, my family. It's not easy at all. I want to use the opportunity to tell and speak something because I've gotten that a lot from my message posts on WhatsApp and Facebook. Please, tradition is not for weak chaser. Tradition is never for quick chaser. What do I mean by quick chaser? People come to tradition thinking that it's all about making money, without forgetting that tradition was once forgotten and you came back. You didn't even want to understand what they call tradition. You didn't even want to rearrange the part of tradition. Just came in immediately and started thinking about making billions of naira. While you are in Christianity almost 10 years or 20 years, you keep on praying, fasting, hoping, having faith. But once somebody comes to tradition, the person will start thinking, money. Why is this so? What is it so? Why people are changing? Why are people thinking like that? Let me tell you the fact, if your destiny is to be multi-billionaire, you will be it. Tradition most is what? Coming back to connect with your ancestors, to know the old ways of Bobo, to arrange yourself. Because many things has gone wrong. They have told us that tradition is evil. That what the olden days worship is not the main thing. So you have to come back and also start from the first side. You ask, why is this thing so? What and what happened? What and what will I rearrange? What and what will I discover? It takes time. That is why people are now entering into many things. Doing many things because of money. Money. And some people, all this tradition is, they even not even matters. You will come now and say money, they will just do that money for you, just they go. We don't know the repercussion. You don't know what will happen after many years. Because whichever thing that is not your destiny will kill you fast. People don't reason that way. You have come back to tradition. You have asked, what happened? What will you do? How will I arrange myself? What and what will I do? Let my own destiny shine. Yes. What will I do for my own destiny shine? What is holding me back? Why did they left it? What happened? What have we destroyed? All those things take time. You sit down and reason. You start arranging. Because once you arrange your own destiny, once you bring back the old ways that are destiny for you, that is the long-lasting life. No quick thing, no quickers survive. If you are doing quick thing, you will be doing much sacrifice, and even you will not be happy. And once you stop doing it, you will die or you will lose it all. But once it's your destiny, no matter what the world say, no matter how you pass through, it's your destiny. It must almost show to you. You want quick thing. You don't even come to know your chi. You don't even understand the meaning of chi. You don't even ask, what are my spirit guide? What are my life in spirituality? What will I do? Which one have I done? Which one is after me? Or which one am I after? This thing they say I should do, nothing exists. The person, let me tell you the fact, when I was in Christianity, I never believed in tradition. I was so stubborn and mean. I hate tradition with all passion. Then, do you know why I'm so proud of them? Because I saw evidence. The torture was too much. Somebody being in coma 3 months in another part of the world. You seen people that you're not meant to see. You are gone and gone forever. You are gone. Because that is what my destiny is. They brought me back. I quit Christianity. That's what I'm telling people. Don't believe what I believe, oh, when you don't even have the evidence, because one day you will go. That's why that thing made me to stand for this tradition. Because I have seen, in fact, I have tortured. Things have done to me. The life story is too much. I start telling you the life story, you even pity me. And I still surrender. So I now have proof, evidence, strong evidence. So coming back tradition is not about quickers. It's not about money. Okay, they ask you, what is ancestors? How will you explain it? Does they exist? Are they really working? Have you ever asked yourself that question? One thing they come tradition, they are mbute the kwaya. You pay the money, you go eat them. But you also son and also. Allow your chi, allow the universe to arrange you the way they want you to arrange you. You have come back to nature, you have come back to the main route. Allow yourself step by step, one by one. You won't even know when you reach the goals. Step by step. It's not about quickers. Tradition is not for quickers. It's not for cham. You start interview people now. Ask for tradition now walk. Ask for how they boom mad. Go again can. Do you know why Christians run away from tradition? Because they believe in justice. Whether you be good, you be bad. The nature, you never forgive. If you do anything bad, they will deal with you. That is why the wicked ones are not going out of tradition. Because they don't know no mercy. Nobody will carry out for you. In the olden days, everybody had his own power. Let me hold my own. But now you see somebody start looking for his brother and kill the brother. Only they try and kill your brother now. Who's trying to kill your brother now? You know our brother has the power, is holding him or her. So tradition is not about calm down. Not the reason why this thing happened. Ask questions about your life. Does this thing exist? It is true. I want to experience it. I want them to show me. It's not about quickers, so that you don't go to the wrong path and destroy your life and make your life the way you don't even want it. You don't even feel the way things happening. No matter what, every part of the world, they have good and the bad ones. So it depends on the one you try to choose. You want to choose the bad one, are you Sabina? The good one, are you Sabi? It depends on the path you want to choose. Just follow it up and choose it and go. Once you allow yourself, your destiny, to arrange the path they want you to arrange, you will enjoy it and live longer life. Fastness, of course, this one I cause many things. Everybody's not looking for glory. You can't even ask person the story. Glory. You don't even have the question. You don't even have the story. Somebody go, you are just rejoicing, just looking at somebody's glory. Why can't you make your own story? That you have your own glory proper way. So again, I thank you guys. Take things easy. You have come back fine and good. What will I do? Start it one by one. Follow your own side of destiny. Work it up and see how your life will be. That's what I want to tell you guys today. And may your spirit guide, may your chi, may your ancestors uplift you guys up. It's not easy, because let me tell you that if you want to win in tradition, you have to be patient, slowly and steady. You climb up the way you don't even accept. So please, it's all about calming down and walking towards yourself. Once again, I thank you guys. The universe bless you all. Patience is the key to every success. Patience and hard work. You are patient. You keep on working more hard on yourself, on your life, and see how your life will be. Tradition is not for getting quickers. Don't come to tradition and start be wanting everything fast fast, almost sister. It will not help you. The person is what? Arrange am small small. Try your best. Again, I thank you guys.